How to activate Bank of America credit card online. Welcome to the channel and let's start with the video. First and foremost, open up a browser that you prefer on your device. In the URL box, search for bankofamerica.com and give it a search. To activate your Bank of America credit card, you will have to log into your Bank of America first and foremost. For that, go ahead and enter your user ID and your password. Select Save User ID if you want to, but make sure that it is in your personal device. Then hit the login option. If you have forgotten your password or any credential, select Forgot ID or Password. You will have the chance to recover it by entering your card or account number. Enter your social security number or tax ID number. If you do not have either of your SSN or TIN, select Don't have an SSN or TIN. In that case, enter your checking or saving account number, your ATM or debit card number, and your ATM or debit card PIN, then select Continue. If you don't have either of those, select Contact Us. In here, you can go ahead and search for your issue and they will list out instructions to log in into your account. Once you are successfully logged into your Bank of America, you have to head to the section of Credit Card. In there, you will see the option of Activate a Card or Add a Card. You will have to add your card credential, that is your credit card number, your CVV, and your expiration date. You will also have to submit some of the verification document related to your credit card number and your account. By this way, you'll be able to successfully activate your Bank of America credit card online. And that's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.